Hey everyone, it's Oliver with Roam Ride Repeat. Today we're doing a little project here. We are going to be taking our, I got started on a little bit. We're going to be taking the kids' bike trailer, and I am building essentially a hitch for it. And then on there, we're going to have this mounted, and that'll all be bolted onto here because we have this orange riprock here for my son. Well, he's only 4, so he doesn't like to ride for hours and hours. But we still want him to be riding with us. This way he can ride that bike. Baby's in the trailer. He gets tired, take the front wheel off, hook it on the back of the trailer here, and then he can ride in the dash. Unless the baby's not with, then he could just go in the trailer. Because if anybody has biked with kids, they know that is a battle. So just going to take a little video and show how it's done. I'm kind of winging this. I've never obviously done this before, so see how it turns out. This bottom bolt is going through here. Through this piece of extruded aluminum, through this pipe, and there's this horizontal pipe here that runs across, and inside there is a nut. And I need to line the pipe perfectly up so that way it catches up. So this is what we got. Through axle mount on the back of the Burley. So let's see how this will work out. Okay, so here is the finished product. As you can see, the mounts. I do want to put some kind of like a gusset here, because otherwise I think what's going to happen is this is going to tear from there to there at some point. I just had my son sit on here to see if it would hold him with it on it. And you can sit on it, so it could be used as a tag along, but I don't trust that. So that's how it is. I realize I have it just slightly crooked. We can fix that. I might just bend up a different piece and make it a little bit cleaner. And I might make it out of some 18 gauge sheet metal. Possibly some square tube would probably be better, but this is what I just had laying around. Then we can put another kid in there. We can put a kid in there. So now my oldest son can ride the riprock, and which I do want to get a video out on that. This is honestly the best kids bike you can buy right now, in my opinion. You have hydraulic disc brakes. As you can see, the levers are adjustable, so I have the rear brake closer to the handlebars for them. Front one's a little further out to discourage grabbing that. It's easy. It has 8-speed click shift, 1x8. Got a nice little derailleur on there. Got hydraulic disc brakes with through axles on both the front and the back. That is hard to find a kid's bike with this much quality. So this is the Specialized Rip Rock. We got it from Remote Cycles in Remote, Wisconsin, or Wausau. If you guys are in the area looking for bikes and looking for a Specialized or Rocky Mountain, highly recommend them. Then we have the Burley Minnow trailer. And then we have the Grocery Getter, the Trek Verve 2 Plus. So this pulls the kids around and saves me from complaining about doing it. So hopefully that's an interesting little video. We'll get some more out. Thanks for watching.